Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage, and dead blow hammers are an essential tool in any toolbox. They reduce vibration through their handle while maximizing power at impact. The Eastwood Dead Blow Sledgehammers are great for any project in which you need a large amount of persuasion. The icing on the cake is that these are proudly made in the USA for quality and longevity. If you've never used a dead blow hammer before, you're in for a real treat. A shot-filled canister is encased in each head. As the hammer strikes the surface, the shot-filled canister inside absorbs the shock and reduces any kickback you'd find in a traditional hammer. We offer 5 massive sizes to make sure you have the best tool for the job. The sizes are 88, 144, 152, 168, and 192 ounces. That's a full 12-pound sledge that won't kick back. No matter which size you pick, they're all built to withstand the test of time. The shot-filled canister is welded directly to the rod to ensure maximum strength and safety. From here, each outer shell is built with a polyurethane coating, which is incredibly strong to prevent mushrooming, chipping, and splitting. On the handle, you'll find a textured grip to stop slips and reduce fatigue. Since every shop needs a big hammer, make sure to check out the Eastwood Dead Blow Sledgehammers, which are made in the USA. For more information, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.